Here's how we transformed raw footage into a polished 2-minute TV spot.
The sticky, stuck-on, gooey, greasy gunk. How do you get it off? Hi, Adam J here for the Abracadabra Contractor Strength Wonder Paste. Clean up the toughest stuff on the planet with science like magic. For over 25 years, I've made the biggest messes on people's homes, and it was my job to clean it up. Mess erased with Wonder Paste. Wonder Paste has the muscle to remove stuck-on grease inside your home and out. And Contractor Strength means strong enough for my job site, yet gentle enough to work wonders around your home. Wonder Paste does what other products can't. Wonder Paste releases the gunk, bonds with it, and wipes away clean without harming the surface. Nothing on this planet cleans marble, stone, or granite like Wonder Paste. For shower glass and soap scum, now break that bond with a wave of your wand. Disgusting mold wipes away, inside and out. Nothing's quicker on tape and stickers than Wonder Paste. Get bugs and tar off your car in a flash, and brake dust and bird stains vanish. The secret's in our smart polish technology. Mess erased with Wonder Paste.
I always use Wonder Paste to clean up behind the kids, whether it's a big game or even an arts and crafts disaster.
The yard, the job, the boat, the car, mess erased with Wonder Paste. From stuck on to gone, just a clean, polished finish every time. Faster than you can say, abracadabra. I'm gonna make your life easier. Make just one thing spotless, and Wonder Paste pays for itself. And if you're not completely satisfied, keep the magic, and we'll refund your money 100%. Order your 10-ounce tub of Wonder Paste for just $24.95. But because I want you happy, I'm gonna double your order to our jumbo 20-ounce tub. I'll also add 2 Wonder towels, plus our amazing Wonder sponge, absolutely free. Just pay separate processing. Order now.
Need a polished TV commercial? Let's turn your footage into a spot that sells. Contact info is in the bio.